Hello, I'm Philip Marris, the CEO of Marris Consulting. I'd like to invite you to a conference in Paris about the theory of constraints that is co-organized by our company and by TOCPA, the Theory of Constraints Practitioners Alliance. We're going to have a dozen presentations over a two-day conference. The theory of constraints can put people off because of its name, the word theory in there. Well, I hope you'll find the program of this conference very reassuring in that sense, since it's essentially a series of presentations by people who actually are using and have been using for a long time the theory of constraints to manage their operations and get some fairly extraordinary successes. So we have many companies coming to present. We've got Procter Gamble that's going to tell us about its 20-year usage in various parts of its organization of the theory of constraints. We have Safran, a large European aeronautics equipment manufacturer, who's going to explain how it, for instance, saved one of its plants, just like in the Goal, using the theory of constraints. We've got Ian Heptingstall, who's going to talk about how the critical chain mixed in with project alliances is the right approach to managing capital and construction projects. We've got Autech, a software development company that's going to explain how they use critical chain project management combined with Agile to manage their product development software process. And we also have Spiros Bonatzos, who's going to explain how he's been using the theory of constraints to manage dairy product production. And Embraer in the aeroplane division for executive jets, doing the maintenance or the MRO of their aircraft here in Europe. And there will be Aerosud that will be presenting how in fact it has chosen to use the theory of constraints as its main way of doing business. So it says it's going to use the theory of constraints way in business, and how it's used it in production, in supply chain, in product development, and so forth. And they're coming up from South Africa to present what they're doing there. Okay, so we've got a very rich panel of companies from all kinds of business all over the world that are going to present what kind of results they've got with this theory. Okay, so we're also going to have some presentations by some world experts. We've got the two co-founders of TOCPA, the Theory of Constraints Practitioners Alliance, Fedurko-Cohen and Jelena Cohen-Fedurko, and they're going to be presenting, and as is Sanjeev Gupta, the CEO of Realization, and myself, Philip Marris. Okay, so please do come to this conference on the 28th and 29th of March in Paris to learn about all the wonderful implementations of the theory of constraints. See you there.